Hey there, would you like a cup of coffee? Now, a lot of people have different types of coffee setups, and this is how I do my coffee. So this happens to be one of the coffees that I buy sometimes. It's Trader Joe's Sumatra. It's a medium dark, whole bean. And what I'll do is I'll take it, weigh it. I use a food scale. Not all coffee weighs the same. Like you can measure by cups, but it's more accurate if you go by grams. So then I'll put it in my grinder. Once it's ground, I put it into a French press with cold water. I do a cold brew method, and I'll leave that in there for maybe 1 or 2 nights. So my typical measurement for this size of container is probably about 65 grams of whole bean coffee and then around 700 milliliters of water, which I can all fit in there. And I like a French press because they're cheap. You don't have to plug it in. You can pretty much take it anywhere. This thing was only like 15 bucks on Amazon. I want to give it kind of a good stir. It's been sitting there. Okay, that kind of breaks the crust down that's on top. So I'm just going to push through. It's going to strain most of the grounds. Now there's probably still quite a few grounds in there. I'm just going to go ahead and pour a cup in here. One thing you can do is pre-measure this in a measuring cup and mix it all together before you pour it in the ice. I really like the taste and texture of almond milk. Just gonna do half and half. For this amount of coffee, I would say 2 tablespoons of syrup. I'm gonna go with Hershey's today. Sometimes I make my own. That's pretty good. I just don't have any of that around right now. I got 2 tablespoons in here. I'm gonna try to mix it up a little bit. Sometimes when you just pour the coffee over the ice and then pour the milk over the ice and then add the syrup, everything doesn't get mixed in well enough. So I'm just pre-mixing all this. I like to use a Yeti. Yes, they're worth the price. They're usually around $20 or $30. Often imitated, never quite duplicated. I like my Yeti. It doesn't sweat. So I'm just going to go ahead and I have it heaped over with ice. I love a lot of ice. A mag slider lid and a silicone straw. There you have it, people. So delicious. A lot cheaper than going out. This is my perfect homemade coffee. Let me know in the comments below if you have any tips on coffee making, any recipes. What's your favorite coffee to go with? Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.